Hello, hello, West Coast Larry. Got a little case of cabin fever there. I was tried to go up prospecting Tuesday. That didn't pan out. Put on bump. And today I was trying to be creative. I wanted to think of somewhere close by I could go that'd be interesting and still worthy of a video. And I'm up here at San Dimas Canyon Road. The canyon is really beautiful. Some water's still moving. I can hear it here, and I know there's a waterfall back here, and the accessibility is really bad. So I'm going to pull out the machete, and I'm going to do some bushwhacking on the way in and see what I can find. So check it out. Be right back. What a nice spot. This is the stream I'm used to up here. Just one wide stream. But right here, something happened. I don't know how long ago it was. Maybe they let out the dam real fast, or there was a storm or something. But right here, the stream takes a split. You got some of it that comes off here to the right. And goes down. And then now, a good portion of this water is diverted over here to that westerly side. And it continues down and follows a different path over here than what I'm used to. Very cool to see the change. Very cool to see Mother Earth still taking care of business. All right. Ready, Concord?
Good, steady, and now the big one. Come on, Concord. Message for you, sir.
Jump! Woo! Woo! That was it. Took all my muscle to get across.
You've got to get you some maneuvering power.
Just barely touched a little water. Alright. Let's see where this trail goes now. I'm not going to pull out the machete yet. This has been knocked down, but this will need to be cut back pretty soon. Here's some poison ivy, or poison oak, excuse me, growing right into the path, which I've already hit it with my leg. Ooh, close up. Poison oak. Pharaoh, you may already be dissuaded from this hike, because you seem to have some fondness for poison oak. Quit that. Alright. I'm gonna pick my way through here. Right. The bushes have become a little tighter. Now I have to start chopping my way through. Today, we're using the Gerber. Welcome to Poison Oak Pass. I cut back a little bit. There's one right there. There's one right here. I brought some cleaning wipes that may or may not kill the oils from the ivy off of my blade, because I don't want to get myself later with the oils if they're still stuck on this blade. Alright, I'm gonna work and then videotape. How's that? Sorry. Well, I'm probably about halfway in. It's not a very long hike, but this trail isn't that great. It's still here. I can still see a footpath, so I don't know how often it gets traveled, but it's just pretty thick, like so. So I'll check in a little bit further in. Just wanted you to see the trail. Okay, I made it onto the old creek bed. I'm gonna see how long I can follow this up, see if it stays clear, and seems to be less or no poison oak on obviously on this stream bed. A little moisture here, so that's good. Maybe there's some water coming off the waterfall. We'll check it out. I am so close. A quarter mile, maybe. I think it's just 2 more turns. But swinging the machete, I'm getting pretty tired, and it's getting thicker. And I wanna make it to the waterfall for you guys. That's been pushing me a little bit further. But I think I'm gonna make this a 2-parter. I think I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna go back and go to this little pool area that I found that was really cool. I'll show you that, and we'll get out of here to finish this this trail up another day. Hopefully I can get up here while the waterfall's still flowing water. It's pretty cool. All right, catch you later. Okay, here's that pool area. The stream comes down right there and makes a hard left for the stream. I'm standing up on 5 foot of bedrock now, and it cuts through the bedrock here. And it makes a little pool back there. It makes a little pool right here, and it gets better. Nice long pool. Look at both sides. Bedrock on both sides. This is cut right through. Just a couple of beautiful rock pools right here. Got a long one here, and a little small one over there. Whoa. And then it gets back to some broken up ground and a little bit less bedrock. Really cool spot. Hung out here for a second. Really beautiful, really pristine. Check this guy out. How cool is that? So don't litter, don't pollute, otherwise these things won't be here. Time to go check out the upper pool. This little guy just caught a worm. Underwater. It's in his mouth right now. See the worm? How did he know? This one has a really kind of an ovalish face. I've never seen one exactly like that. I don't know if it's a male or a female or a subspecies, but